Dear friend, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This is Noor Mohammed, and today we are going to start a roundtable discussion about a bicycle. In this program, there are two friends with me, Mr. Saifuddin and Ms. 𝗙liche𝗶𝗹𝗶, and welcome to my program and thank you for joining with me.
Thank you.
Dear friend, today we are going to discuss about a bicycle, and I would like to ask you some question.
Yeah, of course.
And are you ready, guys?
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
ready.
Okay. First question, Mr. Saifuddin. How popular are bicycle in your locality?
Thanks, it's a good question. Well, it's quite popular in our hometown because it is the best way of transportation. It is the best way of exercise, which saves our valuable time and money, and it keeps our body fit and good for health. On the other hand, all people can use it whenever they need, they want, they love, all time. Instantly, if you need anything from this place to another place, you can go there easily. Especially, it has no age restriction. All ages people can use bicycle easily, and it's comparatively less risky.
Okay.
You know, I have seen so many people can using bicycle to reach their destination. That's why it's quite popular in our locality. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Saifuddin. So, what about you? How popular are bicycle in your locality?
Thanks. It is quite popular in our hometown because it is the best form of transportation, which is save our time, helps us to do exercise and save our money. Not only that, people can use it whenever they want, they love, and they need. People of different ages can ride a bicycle. I mean, it has no ages restriction and comparatively less risky. That's why it is popular
In your
in our
locality.
hometown.
That's good. So, and I would like to add you, and it is quite popular in our locality because it is easy transportation for going to one place to another place, and it also helps us to do exercise. And not only that, it also helps us to save our time and money. And interestingly, all ages people can use it. That's why it's quite popular in our locality. And now I would like to ask you second question. How often do you ride bicycle?
Okay, it's also a good question.
Okay.
Well, I hardly ride a bicycle, but when I was 10 years old, I used to ride a bicycle. It's very popular in our locality, and I used bicycle for going to school, college, market, relatives' house, teacher's house, and everywhere.
Okay.
And I enjoy it a lot. But recently, I don't use bicycle because right now I live at Mirpur in Dhaka. There have no opportunity to ride bicycle. But when I get vacation, I go to my home. That time I use bicycle, but it's very rare. Nowadays, I use bicycle. I use motorcycle for transportation. That's all.
Okay. So that's good. So what about you? How often do you ride bicycle?
Well, I hardly ride a bicycle. But when I was 10 years old, I used ride a bicycle. It was only transport that I used at that time. And by this, I went to school, college, a teacher's house, and relative house, and everywhere. I really enjoy it a lot too. But nowadays I don't have that much opportunities to ride a bicycle. Not only that, nowadays I mostly use motorcycle for transportation.
Yeah, that's good. And I am also like you. And nowadays, I don't have enough time to ride bicycle. But when I was 10, that time I used bicycle for going to one place to another place. At the time, it was only transportation for me. So I use it for going my relative house, my school, college, and everywhere. And but nowadays I don't have that like this opportunity to ride bicycle because maximum maximum time I use motorcycle for my transportation. So now I would like to ask you third question. What do you think it is suitable for all ages people?
Yeah, it's also a good question. Well, it is suitable for all ages people because it's good for health, and it is only transportation. But this use our locality. Okay, I repeat again. Thanks. It's also good question. It's suitable for all ages people because it is the way of exercise. It is the way of transportation, and it has uses all ages people without any restriction,
Section.
and it makes us dynamic.
Yes.
And you know, if all ages people use likes any
Labor.
labor worker, student, teacher, businessman, and also
Anyone can.
and anyone can. And when apart from it's also use it's also use people need their interest, and also it's provide independent freedom and enjoyment for all ages people.
What do you think? It is suitable for all ages people?
Yes, obviously it is suitable for all ages. It is a form of exercise and it is makes people dynamic. It connect people with nature, fresh air, to enjoy the natural beauty. If I want to talk about the cost and other facilities, interest and needs without any restriction.
It is suitable for all ages people because all ages people can use it easily. Like a child can use it, and also a old man can use it easily. That's why I think it is suitable for all ages people. Not only that, it makes us dynamic and also helps us to involve with nature and also enjoy the beauty of nature. That's why I think it is suitable for all ages people, right? Mr. Saifuddin, I would like to ask you final question.
Yeah.
What is the advantages of what are the advantages of bicycle compare a car?
Okay, it's a good question. Well, there are several advantages. Bicycle better than car. Number one, all is bicycle is not all is people can easily ride
Use it.
bicycle, but car riding is not possible for all ages people. And number two, cycle no need oil, but without oil you don't ride, you don't driving car,
You can't ride that.
can't ride. And number three, cycle comparatively environment friendly, but car don't comparatively environment friendly. And number four, you can bought a bicycle low cost, but car is too much expensive. That's why it's not possible for all ages. But cycle can buy is possible all ages. And number five, cycle no need big space, but car need big space for parking. And number six, cycle no need oil, no need extra driver, tax token, etc. But everything is need for car. That's why I would like to say bicycle is more suitable, better than car.
Okay,
That's
that's
all.
good. So, what about you? What are the advantages of bicycle compare a car?
Bicycle have for more benefits than a car. Bicycle do not pollute the air and there are environmental friendly. Bicycle have far more benefits than car effects for the fact that a car is faster. The most advantage for riding bicycle. Bicycle it keeps us healthy. Bicycles do not pollute the air, and they are environment friendly.
Okay. If I say in a short sentence, I think it has lots of advantages, like a no need oil. If I want to drive a car, you need oil. But if you want to ride a bicycle, no need oil. Another thing is bicycle is environment suitable, but a car is not suitable for environment. On the other hand, a big space for needed for a car, but a bicycle no need a big space for parking. So on the other hand, all ages people can use bicycle, but driving a car is not possible for all ages people. So all over, I think it is suitable for everyone than a car. Thank you for joining with me today. I would like to finish here today, dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to finish here and see you again on others day. Assalamu alaikum.